Greetings my friends, welcome to another video and trade here. As always, bringing you the best content for trading, and I want to show you something that will change the way you trade. Now, the market, the world, trading and everything around us currently is changing extremely fast, and it is important to have the right tools at your disposal. It is important for you to get the right guidance at your disposal to make sure that you are ahead and not actually trying to catch up with the technology, catch up with the new opportunities. And this is exactly what I want to show you today. Me and my team are always working on the new ways to ease the life of traders so you can go into the market and start making solid money without much knowledge to begin with. However, we also provide educational content for you in my trading group, so if you want to start learning how to trade by yourself and improve your trading stats, improve your profit, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. Everyone is welcome, everyone can join, everyone can start trading today, and everyone can change their life. It is really important that you are focusing on the right things and not wasting your time on the wrong technology, not wasting your time on the wrong knowledge that you don't actually need right now. And we have all of that in your group. We have the right tools, the right strategies, the right systems to trade. We have psychology of the trader, because you need to know when to exit trades, when to enter trades, when to take a break. So send me a message on Telegram at @ntrade_pro. We also do trading sessions with me and my team. So if you want to follow signals that me and my team have worked on, then make sure to also click that link in the description below. We do that every single day from Monday to Sunday. We have OTC trading sessions, real market sessions with trading following the news. Everything is going to be available for you, so check it out. And now let me show you what me and my team have been working on. This is a trading robot that will change the way you trade. It will help you educate yourself on all sorts of strategies, and it will help you to start profiting in a market almost instantaneously. So let's start the trading session and let's see how this robot performs in real market. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we have pocket option on the left side, the robot on the right side, and we are all set. The play is super simple. This robot is specifically designed for you to go into the market to be able to educate yourself on certain strategies and use them to your advantage. So whatever strategy you pick, it's going to use that strategy specifically to analyze the chart that you pick and the time frame. So it will also adjust the settings of the strategy to the time frame that you select. So for example, let's select moving average cross. It's the easiest one that you can have here, and let's select the asset with a good payout. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna look through these and try to find the one with above 80% payout, because that's what interests us and that's what I advise all of the traders that trade with me to do. Only go for trades above 80%. And there it is, Euro Swiss franc. So we select Euro Swiss franc, we select 1 minute because I'm gonna trade on 1 minute, but you can go whatever time frame is suitable for you. Between 1 minute to 1 day, you have that option. And now we just press start analysis. Simple as that. And the robot will take a little bit of time to analyze the chart. It will use the strategy, it will apply the settings, and will give you a breakdown of the trade. I have a trade here. I'm gonna take a buy position right now. I'm gonna place $500, and also remember, when you are trading by yourself, place 2 to 5% per trade. I am allowed to do $500 trade when I have $1,000, because this is just a small amount for me. I have way more money in my safe, and of course I have way more money that I made, so I am able to place 500. But getting there steadily, steady growth. As you know, I started with $100 5 years ago, and we've gotten so far from that point but it wasn't always a successful grind. Sometimes we take losses, but if you manage your funds right, you will easily make good profit. And let's look at the robot. We have the signal, we have the entry price, and the strategy comment. A clean bullish crossover between 20 MA and 50 MA is accompanied by a breakout from a small consolidation zone. RSI at 63 confirms buying pressure without exhaustion, while MACD lines remain separated in bullish formation. 2 seconds left. We get our money, $425, go straight into our pocket, and we make it just like that. Simple, easy. Now you can go ahead and select a different strategy or go for the same strategy, it doesn't matter. Now let's go for momentum strategy, and we're gonna do the same process. Now we're gonna try to find a different asset because I don't want to do all the trades on the same one. Great Britain pound, Australian dollar is a decent one. So once again, same process. We select 1 minute, we press start analysis. You see how easily you go from trade to trade. As I said, this robot is designed for accessibility, for simplicity. We want people to go into the market and get easy money. So there it is, another $500 trade. I'm gonna wait for a few seconds to see if the price goes above my entry point. If it doesn't, I'm gonna keep it at that. But let's once again look at the screenshot right here. You guys probably don't see it, but it's just on the side screen opening for some reason, and I can't really pull it here, so whatever. We have the signal, we have the selected strategy here, we have the entry price and a comment. Momentum readings under 100 aligned with long-bodied brand candles. The 20 MA acts as a resistance, and RSI levels suggest that there's still space before oversold conditions emerge. Let's add momentum indicator to confirm this. So there it is, we add it, and you can see that we are indeed under 100. So as simple as that, we enter a trade, we have confirmation from the momentum indicator, and this is a nice and easy. This is a bit close, but I'm pretty sure we're going to secure this anyway, and there it is. Actually, we got a return. Happens as well, that was unfortunate. Let's select a different strategy and analyze the same chart. Let's go for RSI strategy now. Great Britain pound, Australian dollar, 1 minute start analysis. We didn't lose the money, that was a bit unfortunate. We got a return on that, and now we're gonna try and make it happen on the next one. As you can see, same process is applied. Here is a buy position now, and I'm gonna place a little bit more, 1,000 on this one, and let's read into it. RSI is holding about 55 after a breakout, showing sustained buying interest. Volume remains elevated, confirming market participation in the upward move. This is why if you're trading on 1 minute, you have to perform analysis after each trade that you do, because the market at this time frame is going to be changing really fast, and you want to make sure that you are actually catching these little changes and reversals that are happening. Let's add RSI, and RSI is currently leaving the oversold condition, and we are looking at a nice and easy trade for us. So there it is, guys, and this is going to be a big one for us. We're going to go all the way to $2,000 with just one trade that we're doing with one strategy, and this is what you can achieve. And even if you have no knowledge of trading, you have no knowledge of understanding different strategies, you can join my trading group. You can start learning, you start trading with this robot, and you will see how easy it is to actually learn of these things. Wow, that was a big spike right there, but we secured it anyway, and we're ready. We're making $1,200 of profit with this trading session, and let's go ahead, do another one. As you can see, there are no skips. We're just going back to back from trade to trade. Next one is Bollinger Bands, and we're gonna do the same. We're gonna continue looking for good assets with good payouts. So let's see it, 85. You don't want to trade in sideways market. I wouldn't suggest doing that, so let's skip this, even though the payout is 81%. We can definitely find something much better than that, and there it is, Australian dollar, Swiss franc. We selected 1 minute start analysis, boom, all done. Easy, simple, accessible. Everyone can do this. If I can do this without any analysis, as you can see, I don't apply anything, and I'm gonna place a sell position here. The price will probably spike up, and if it does, I'm gonna place another trade. And here we are, price trades steadily between the middle and lower bands with small bodied candles indicating a controlled downtrend. EMA slope points downwards, and RSI at 40 confirms weakness. We can add RSI as well, and it's not exactly below 40, but it's heading there. So this is a nice one. As you can see, the robot uses trading view for the indicators and the analysis, and gives you a screenshot. So the readings might be a little bit off, but what matters is the outcome. And the outcome, once again, you can see this is another profitable trade for us, and we're gonna secure another $425 on this one. I should have placed a little bit more on this trade, but it's good. Any profit is good profit, and we definitely take those. So there it is. This is our third trade, I think, and we're still dominating. We're still making good money. Look at that. We are winning, and we are doing great. Let's do one more trade. This time we're going for MACD strategy, and let's find the final asset. We were on Australian dollar, Swiss franc. We're just going from one from one to another. We're not skipping any assets, we're just hitting one after another. Swiss franc, Japanese yen is going to be the last one. Let's place it, start analysis, and we are off. You have full control of what settings you want to select, which strategy you want to use, which time frame, which assets. So take your time, find something that you like, sell position right here. I'm gonna wait for a little bit, place another trade, and we have $1,000 trade pending right here. And let's look at how this plays out. MACD line falls below the signal line with negative histogram expansion. Let's add MACD to the chart. Negative histogram expansion right here. It falls below the signal line, as you can see with the cross here, and price tests and rejects EMA 50 resistance. RSI at 37 confirms seller dominance. And let's look at that. RSI is below 37 already. Right here is the 37, so you can see it dipped below. We can even add EMA 50. Where is it? Moving average, and we have to change some settings. We have to do this right here and save it, and you can see there's the retest and the price starts to slope down, and just like that the robot is just doing all the work for us, and we're just simply placing a little bit of money and taking our profit. Just as easy as that. We have the candle starting to push back up, but it's not enough time, and we get all the money and we make $2.5 thousand in a matter of minutes. Let's look at how long it took us. It took us less than 8 minutes. It took us 6 minutes to achieve this. Now, how amazing is that? We made 2.5 thousand in 4 minutes time. This is absolutely crazy. If you want this robot, try it out. Go into the market, try demo account, go on demo account, trade with this robot for a little bit, see if you like it, see if you don't. Don't just go in and risk all your money. Once again, join my trading group to learn more about money management, to understand how to actually climb steadily and climb really rapidly. We're gonna help you with that. You're gonna see growth every single day. This is what we're focused on. We're not focused on like the quick profit that will help you turn $100 into 10,000 in one day. We're not doing that. We want to teach you how to systematically make money. We want to provide you with a good system, a good foundation, so you can go into the market and turn it into a livelihood where you can make money every single day and take care of yourself, take care of your family. I think there is a lot of the hardships that are coming in the future with AI taking the jobs. So you have to learn how to sustain yourself, and this is exactly what we're trying to do here. So if you like it, if you like the video, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you've traded with this robot, how it went for you. And check out the links in the description below to join my trading group. I have VIP trading group as well if you want individual trading sessions with me, where I'm going to share signals with you, the trades that I take. You can also participate in trading sessions with me and my team, and much more. Trading strategies, trading tutorials, chart tutorials. We're going to explain how candlestick patterns work, how chart patterns work. We're going to explain different terminology that you need to be a successful trader, and we're going to show you how you can turn even the smallest amount into a solid income. So check it out. I appreciate you for watching, and of course I will catch you in the next one.